Good morning, children. Did you complete last class work? Okay. Today let us begin exercise 3, and here we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when two angles are given and one side. So now let us write exercise 3, problem 1. The question is construct triangle NET with the measurements NE, which is equal to 6.4 centimeters, angle N is equal to 50 degrees and angle E is equal to 100 degrees. This is the construction which you have to do. What is the first step that we should do, children? Exactly. We have to draw a rough sketch. So let's write step 1. First, let us draw. If this is NE and this is 6.4 centimeters, and then it is given that angle N is equal to 50 degrees. 50 means it's an acute angle, it is less than 90 degrees. If you draw a straight line, it is 90, so less than 90 is 50, somewhat like this. Then angle E is given as 100 degrees. 100 degrees means it is more than 90. So here if you draw a straight line, it is going to be 90 degrees, and if I draw a line a little bit slanting, it is going to be 100 degrees. So I draw the rough figure, you can see that. So this angle is 50 degrees and this angle is 100 degrees. And the point of intersection of these two rays, we are going to draw the rays, because when we mark the angle, we are going to draw a ray which can be extended. Okay. So the meeting point here, this is your T. This part is T. Understood? This is the rough figure that we have drawn. So let's write step 1. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle NET and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. Okay, now let us begin our actual construction. First step is drawing the line segment NE of length 6.4 centimeters. So now let us use the scale. Mark the point at 0 centimeters. Just mark on the book, and then 6.4 centimeters they have given. Now see here clearly, this is 6 centimeters. Okay, so here this is 6 centimeters, and this longest line here, this is 6.5. One line before that is 6.4. So you need to mark a point over here. Okay, from 0 to 6.4 you have to mark a point and then draw a line to join them. Do this, children. Okay, so on the board I have drawn a line segment NE of length 6.4 centimeters. Now let us use our protractors and mark the angle of 50 degrees. So here you can see that angle N is 50 degrees. Now use your protractors, children. See that you mark the angle. Angle is going to come to the right side. So this is 50 degrees. You need to see the inner scale to mark the angle. Okay, 50 degrees. You know that the baseline should match with NE like this. You are able to see? And then mark 50 degrees. 50 degrees is here. You need to mark and draw a ray. Draw a ray NX. So here you can see that we are keeping the protractor 50 degrees. I am going to draw a ray using my scale. So draw a ray. This, keep a straight line, and then this is a ray which I have drawn. Arrow, and this is X, NX. Now we have to draw an angle of 100 degrees. 100 degrees, use your protractor again. And here 100 degrees we are supposed to mark and draw a ray. EY. EY we are going to draw. So here this and this should be matching, and this is a ray which is Y. Short, small, they are not intersecting at a point. So now what you are going to do is extend NX little more such that it is going to intersect EY at a point, and that point is your T. Understood? So now use your scales again to draw this. Draw a dotted line showing that you are extending the line, or even if you draw a normal line also, it's okay. Bold line also is fine. Okay. Now here the meeting point, this point is T. Now we have finished constructing triangle PNET. Understood this, children? Complete the construction. So here we have written the given angles. Angle N is 50 degrees, angle E is 100 degrees. It is written in the figure. Now let us write the remaining construction steps. Step 2. What is step 2, children? What did we do? Yes. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. Which line segment? NE of length. What is the length? Look at the figure, 6.4 centimeters. 6.4 centimeters. Now let us write step 3. Step 3. Draw a ray. Draw a ray NX, making an angle of 50 degrees at N. Understood this? Draw a ray NX making an angle of 50 degrees at N. Clear? Copy this in your class workbooks, children. Step 4. What is step 4 that we did? Step 4 was drawing an angle. Draw a ray. Draw a ray. Ray EY making an angle of 100 degrees at E. 100 degrees at E. We have drawn this ray and we have seen that these two are not intersecting. Then what did we do? Extend. We have extended. When you are drawing, if you are extending, you write this. Extend the NX ray to intersect EY ray. Is extend NX to intersect EY ray. Now the last step is mark the intersecting point. Mark the intersecting point of the rays. What did we mark? We marked it as T. As T. Once you have marked, you got the required. You have the required triangle. You have the required triangle NET. Understood, children? Copy in your classwork books, children. All the 5 steps. The second construction. The second question is, construct triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6 centimeters, angle Q and angle R both are equal to 60 degrees. Measure the other sides of the triangle and name the triangle. This is the question given. So what is the step that we have to do first? So now let's write step 1. So before writing that, first we are going to draw a line segment. What is the measure given? QR. The measure is 6 centimeters. And you know that Q and R, both of them are 60 degrees. Both of them are 60 degrees. So this is PQR. This is 60 and this part also is given as 60 degrees. After we make the actual construction, we are going to write what is the type of triangle that we have drawn. Now let us write step 1. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle PQR and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. Now let us make the actual construction, which is drawing a line segment of, mark the points. Let's mark the points. So here at 0 we are going to mark a point, and at 6 we are going to mark a point and then join. Using your scale, draw a line. The measurements on my scale is different, but you use your scale and draw correctly. Now we are going to use the protractor and mark 60 degrees, and from the other side also let us see the outer scale and mark 60 degrees. 60 degrees, both of them are 60 and 60. Now use your scale and join the lines. QR length is 6 centimeters. This ray QX and RY rays we have drawn, and we have seen that it is intersecting at a point P. Intersecting at a point P. Now write the measurements. This is 60 degrees and the other side is 60 degrees. Understood this? You can see 6 centimeters. So this is 0, mark a point there, and 6 centimeters, mark a point and then join using your scale. That is the base QR that we have drawn. Now for drawing this 6 angle Q, when you want to draw, you are going to see the outer scale. Outer scale 60 degrees you are going to mark, and when you are marking the angle at R, you are going to see the inner scale and mark 60 degrees angle, and then you are going to join using your scale. Step 2. is draw a line segment. Draw a line segment QR of length 6 centimeters. Of length 6 centimeters. Now step 3, what did we do is we have drawn a ray. Draw a ray QX making an angle of 60 degrees HQ. 4. Step 4. What did we do? We have drawn a ray RY such that it is making an angle of 60 degrees at R. So step 4 is draw a ray RY making an angle of 60 degrees at R. 60 degrees at R. If you are extending the rays, then write the step. Extend this rays such that it is meeting the other ray. Okay? Like the previous first construction how we wrote, like that you can write. If you are not extending like me, you can just write it here. Now let us write step 5. The rays QX and RY intersect at a point. That point I am writing it as P. At a point P. Now what did we get? We have the required triangle PQR. Did we complete the construction, children? No, very good. Because they asked us to measure the sides and then write which type of triangle is this. Here you can see that these two sides are of equal length. That is 6 centimeters this side and 6 centimeters the other side also. Here you can see that all three sides are equal and two angles are already equal. So this also will be 60 degrees. So which type of triangle is it where all sides and all angles are equal? It is an equilateral triangle. QP is equal to RP, which is equal to 6 centimeters. They asked you to write the measure of the length and then triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Understood this, children? Copy in your class workbooks, complete the construction and see you in the next class.